Oh my goodness. What up, y'all? I'm just checking out what I just got in the mail. I've been waiting a little while. Too long, you know. A minute is too long to be waiting for this. But listen, I've got access to the secrets. The hardbound secrets. Expert Secrets. The underground playbook for converting your online visitors into lifelong customers. Number 1. Number 2. Dotcom Secrets. The underground playbook for growing your company online with sales funnels. Okay? That's number 2. I've read those, but I'm excited about number 3. What we got over here? A little bit of traffic secrets. Here we go. The underground playbook for filling your websites and funnels with your dream customers. See, they hit on this a little bit in the previous ones, but I'm excited to dive in. What? Damn, that looks good. That looks really good. That's awesome. Whoa. That's so sick. That looks dope. They're hardbound. I've been waiting for these because the other ones are so flimsy. It's easy to mess them up. These ones, these will look good on the shelf. And whenever people are asking me what to recommend if they really want to get whatever it is that they're doing off the ground, this is definitely going to be some literature that I refer them to. Man. Also, real quick, shout out to Darian Wigfall for inspiring me to get these different titles. In fact, because of him, I was able to get these, and I only pay for shipping. So if you only pay, you can get these and only pay for it for shipping, and it's yours. The secrets are yours. So hit up Darian, ask him for the access to the secrets. He will give you the information, and I'm telling you, it is definitely worth it. Shipping cost, you can manage that. If you care about your future, you'll do it.